Hello, my classics. It's Alana, and it is first thing in the morning, on the morning that I'm supposed to be doing the, having a video up for you guys, so I'm literally going to be getting this fast, because I totally spaced on what day it was yesterday. I have here the questions. The first question that I'm going to go into is, have you ever had a cat? This is Elias. She stays over there. They're really special because they've got mittens. They're polydactyl. They've got extra toes. So yes, I've had cats. I'm going to insert a picture right here.
Aww.
The orange cat in that picture was Jiraiya, named after Naruto, because that cat, when we first got him, sat right between my feet when I was wearing a skirt, looked up, and purred. Little pervert. And then the black and white cat was Izzy. I named her after the character in Total Drama Island because she was crazy. They were my babies for a very long time, and I miss them immensely. My next question that I've got here is, can you do a house tour? Yes, I can, but you're going to have to wait, because house tours are complicated, and right now I'm kind of like in transition on this house, where, we're doing some renovating work sort of things. We're taking up carpet in rooms. We're going to be changing the bathroom up considerably here in a minute here. And so I wanted to do a house tour after that, where I would basically show you what I'd shown you in the original and then show you what we've done. So that's where I'm at there. Plus, I really want to deck out the kitchen in strawberry stuff, and I don't have that yet. So, how old are you? I'm 28. Sometimes I feel 128. Sometimes I feel like I could be 16. I mean, right now I feel about my age, but I'm tired. But I'm up. Who was your inspiration to do YouTube? There were a couple of people. Bunny, aka Graveyard Girl, was one huge inspiration for me, and she will always be a huge inspiration for me. Also, Christine, aka Simply Neological, Simply Not Logical, Simply Face Logical. She wears many, many hats. Christine, the Science Queen. She's been a huge inspiration for a lot of stuff. And it's just, I pull a lot of ideas from them too. Also, Nikki Tutorials was an inspiration because she's a bigger girl. She's not like, a size 2. And she really owns it and looks amazing. And I love her for that. Because so many of these YouTubers, they've still got that 90s mentality, the heroin chic look going on, where they're stick figures. And it's like, but I don't want to ever be that. I'm never going to be that. Come on. What time do you wake up and go to sleep? Well, I have a bad tendency to go to sleep at about 1 a.m. Usually I'm watching something on YouTube or Netflix, or I'm playing a game. Whether it be Second Life, or most recently Skyrim. I usually wake up when I hear the kids, which today was 8:15. So think about it. I went to bed last night at 1, and I woke up today at 8:15. And this is why I drink coffee. This is why coffee is night blood. Can you do a morning or night routine or both? Sure. I'll have to get one first. I'm kidding. I do have a morning routine and I do have a night routine, but the majority of it is, I'm not going to, show you, oh, I exfoliate with these botanicals and then I proceed to do this and that and the other. Usually my morning routine consists of sitting here and pouting until I have coffee. And I wish that it wasn't the case like that, but I am kind of childish before I get my coffee, and I still don't have coffee right now, so. And then, at the last minute, putting my eyebrows on before I have to run out the door or something. And then the last thing that's written here is, I love you and don't let any haters get you down. I love you too, darling. because all these questions came from one person, our dear friend Annette, that you've seen posting comments on almost every video. Girl, you are just a bright beacon of sunshine. I hope you know that, darling. So, and I never let the haters get me down. I've had enough hatred in my life. When I was younger, everybody does. Everybody goes through it. The most important thing is if I could have gone back and told my preteen, teenage self anything, it would be, it gets better. Eventually, you will have everything that the people who were hating on you and had everything at that time wish that they had. Congratulations to in high school. You peaked early. Sorry. I mean, I'm not dissing the fact that people are more popular. I don't really care about popularity, and I think that that's why I'm not popular. Who cares? I mean, it's like, buy 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day. Well, first of all, it'd be a really awesome Christmas gift. And second of all, it's not about the money, okay? When you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can put your name in to have your channel looked at so that you might get monetized and have that option. But it can take upwards from 6 months to a year. My cats are going crazy. 6 months to a year to get monetized. So I don't care about monetization. I just like spreading my quirkiness, but I don't get out of the house often enough. So I'm kind of like at that level. I've also received a question in the past that I deleted because it kind of seemed snotty. And the question was, why don't I trim my son's hair? He's starting to look like a sheepdog. Brandon has told me repeatedly that he doesn't want a haircut yet. And it's summertime, so it doesn't really matter as much. So I'm going to let him have his hair when it's closer to school time. He starts school at the end of August, and when it's then, we'll get him a haircut and he'll look all nice and trimmed up and dapper and handsome, even though he's handsome no matter what. I love you.
Love you.
Alright, go ahead and run along. Conversely, Genevieve's hair just doesn't ever seem to grow.
Mine's grow.
I love you too. So that, I think, should conclude the question things. I hope you liked this video. I did answer as many questions as I got and remembered. Alright. If you like this video, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon Central Time. Bye, see, I love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all. I really do need to redraw my eyebrows.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.